Hi, we're so happy to let you know that our course feature just got an exciting upgrade. I'm taking you inside Wisdome to show you these updates designed to make learning even more enjoyable for your audience. Let's start with the student's view. We're just going to open a course. All right, so the first thing you will notice is the progress bar tracking. So right at the top, students can now track their progress at a glance. It actually shows them how far along they are and the percentage of content they have left. And if the student clicks on the continue button, it would actually take them directly to the lesson where they left off. So let's click that one. All right, so that's looking great. So we've also updated the course status wherein if this course was closed by the creator, it would actually display the message so the student understands and they know what's happening. So let me show you what that looks like. Okay, so here on the creator's page or the admin page, we'll just get to the course, and then this is the course we're trying to view. And the option to close the course, which means if we close the course, it becomes unavailable. It's removed from listing and closed to new access. So let's activate this. Okay. And let's just refresh. Okay, so this is the course. We're going to open it again, and the student will see this message right away. So they know that their access has already expired. Okay, so I'm just going to reopen it for this demo, right? Update. Okay, let's refresh. All right, looking good. So we got the access back. And another thing that we have updated on this course would be the drip feed access. Before, these lessons would be simply hidden from the student's view, but right now, we display the titles of these lessons, plus it shows the number of days before these lessons are available. Now, let's take a look at the creator side or the admin side. Access control toggles has been updated. So we've updated the names. That way, it's easier to understand. And for example, the pause sales function, it says existing students still get full access to the course. No new students can enroll or purchase the course, though. Okay, so this pause sales button will not affect the access of your students to the existing course. So let me just refresh the student's side and then open it. As you can see, we can still, as a student, we can still access the course without any problems. Right? They can still progress through the course without any issues. But if we close the course, say, for example, the limited time offer to access this course has already expired, so you wanted to close it, that is the time when even existing students can no longer access the course. Okay. There you go. That's our message right there. That wraps up today's little walkthrough. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comments below. If you've been thinking of turning your knowledge and your experiences into a course, give us a try. You can create a free account at wisdome.com.au so you can see how your ideas would come to life inside an actual system. You may also request a demo using the link that I'm going to add in the description area to book a time with us. Thank you for your time today. Keep inspiring others with your knowledge. Have a great day.